Okay, welcome back. I mean, this is a bit of a drop down from the day's highest point, as we've been telling you. So from 25,130, the markets dropped off by about 80 points or so as we trade with about, 20 minutes to go for market closing. Well, let's get you what's happening on in dealing rooms. And Nimesh has been working the phones as always to get us a real-time sense of what's going on. Nimesh, take it away. What are you picking up?
Hi, Prashant. Marginally off day's high, but still a good day for the market, largely backed by institutional buying. So I understand there are very strong buy flows today. The indication is the buy-sell ratio is close to 3:1, which means 3 buys for 1 sell. So that's the kind of momentum which is there from the flow perspective. Technology has done well today, largely on back of multiple upgrades which have come in the last few days, and also the Oracle numbers were quite strong. So that's one leg which has actually helped the markets do well today, and that's one space which is well bid as well from larger FIs. Even the broader market has done well today. The index is up 1%, but again, there looks like it's very concentrated to few sectors. So even in the broader market, technology has done well. Select pharma has done well today. So as I said, a strong day backed by FI buying, and looks like the momentum seems to be clearly with tech and pharma stocks.
All right, so that's about the market setup. Nimesh, what are the individual stock news pieces that you've picked up?
Well, so the first stock on my list today is Polycab. That's been buzzing in trade. The volumes are on the higher side. I understand there are very strong buy flows from larger HNIs, and also the street is anticipating a large order win for the company very soon. So that's the first name. The second stock is Vindhya Telelinks, a small stock, 2,700 crore market cap, thinly traded as well. In fact, the stock has done nothing since the beginning of the year, just up 8%. But I understand a leading PMS is an active seller and can be cleaned out very soon. So that's something to track in Vindhya Telelinks. The third name is Brainbees Solutions, First Cry. Again, that's been consolidating post the listing, been pretty much flat off late. But again, I understand the accumulation has started at a leading FI desk in Brainbees for a long only fund. So looks like some bit of delivery-based buying happening there. And the last one is Coforge. Big move in that stock. Rima explained on the back of big upgrades coming in. But in general, there has been very strong buy flows across technology names, and Coforge stands out. So expect very high delivery volumes in Coforge today.
Absolutely. Nimesh, on this Voda idea, that creeping acquisition which we put out, it's a small amount, but how is the street taking it?
Well, as you rightly pointed, it's a small amount. If you just add the number to close to 2 crore shares, even if you assume at 13 rupees per share, which was the low on Friday when the stock ended 10% lower, it's amount to just 26 crores. But it's all about statement, right? On a panic day to come for the promoters to come out and make the statement that they are looking to buy. And also, if you remember, Prashant, the preferential to the promoters was done at a much higher price, around 1480. So again, it makes sense from a promoter point of view that they did the pref at 1480 and to come and buy at 13 odd rupees. So I guess that's the more of a statement to me than anything else. A small buy of 2 crore shares, both by Kumar Mangalam as well as Pilani Investments. And we were aware of it, right? This was part of my chatter list yesterday, that watch out for a creeping acquisition announcement which can come very soon.
Oh, no, absolutely. That's bang on. Nimesh, the other one I want to just quickly run by you is Z. Was up, I think, 4-5%. Not sure if there's any news flow or any buzz around this one.
Well, again, the stock is buzzing in trade today. The volumes are on the higher side. Then, the chatter on Z keeps coming every now and then that again, the deal has resumed, the talks have resumed, and there could be a potential deal and all. I'm not too sure on the deal part, but just to highlight the management, which is Puneet Goenka, he is actually in person attending the CLSA Hong Kong conference. So 2 days is going to be there, and he's going to meet a lot of investors. So maybe that's created a bit of excitement, but not sure on whether there is any deal which is around the corner in Z.
All right, Z is never short of any sort of news coming by around that stock itself, and currently buzzing around with a gain of almost 4.